So now I'm going to get the glue ready here and just pop one of these open, and I'm going to glue it just so that it gets underneath the bolt. The glue was under the bolt, and then I pulled the bolt down against the disc. Now, and this isn't necessary, but I'm just going to, for a little bit of extra hold, I'm using my toothpick to spread the glue over the top of the bolt. And now I'm going to set this down gently on my parchment paper, upside down. I'll do another one. You see I put the bolt through the disc part way, leave it sticking up a little bit. Now just let these sit overnight. And now the glue has dried and the discs are ready to use.